To the mirror. Okay? Swim your teeth. You know how to brush your teeth na? Wow, very good. Okay, up and down. Skis. Oh, show your teeth to the mirror. Ay, hingara, uy. Sit down na, sit down. Antang. Brush teeth your tongue. Ay, brush teeth your tongue. Brush your tongue. No, i-watch na sa mirror. Show your teeth to the mirror. Is that good? Left, right, left, right. Ano? Up and down. Yeah, left, right, then up and down. Up and down, up and down, up. Listen, Tia. Up. Mama, oh. Up, down, up, down. Ano ba? Up, up. Okay. No. So we are using, I'm gonna go yung toothpaste. So para ganahan si baby mag-brush teeth, o mao ni siya ang iyahang toothpaste. Barato ra kayo 35. O ni toothpaste, toothbrush. What you call this? Toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothpaste and toothbrush.